let us take an example of Flipkart. So what is the main functionality of the Flipkart? So main functionality of the Flipkart is to sell items. Simple, that's it. Okay? To sell items, first we have to find out what at all entities are there. So total what entities are there. So which tables we have to create. After we decide which tables we have to create, then we can go to decomposing the bigger tables into smaller tables. First we have to decide what at all items will be there. So that is called ER model. Okay, after ER model, after we decide what at all tables will be there, then we can come to normalization, how to normalize the tables, all those things. So let us take an example. So what at all Flipkart contains? Flipkart contains all the items. So these items may consist of mobiles, electronic accessories, some other kitchen items, all those things. Okay, so it contains all these things. Now suppose if I say I have all these items now, what I can do on these items? So there will be some people who create accounts on Flipkart. So I have some people's table, I have some items table. So I should have some relationship between people and items. So what people are doing with these items? So people are buying these items or cancelling these items, all those things. So I will be having a relation, some kind of this, okay? So by relation. So whenever somebody asks me to design some tables, first what we will do? We will check what at all tables we have to design first. So first we will design all the tables, and after designing all the tables we will check whether it is in second normal form, whether it is in third normal form, all those things. Okay, that we have studied already now. So now what we have to do is, first we have to decide what tables we can design. First what tables we have to design. So that we have to discuss. Okay. So ER model is nothing. It is a representation of some model. Suppose somebody has given me a project. Okay. So what he says, yes, I have some items, I have some people, so these people will buy these items. That's what he will say, that's it. So now what my work is to represent all this into a diagrammatic approach, and I will again show it, sir, whatever you have shown is this correct? So ER model is nothing, it is same. So ER model is a representation of the model. Okay, so just write down what is an ER model. So this is very small chapter. We'll try to complete in 1 or 1.5 hour. Okay. So model, it is a representation of reality. So representation of reality. Okay. So ER model is, it is a data model in which information, so we have seen what is a database, what is an information. Information in the database, so we have some information in the database. In the database is viewed as set of entities and set of relationship among entities. So it gives pictorial representation it gives a pictorial representation of the domain knowledge. So it is a data model in which information in the DB is viewed as set of entities and set of relationships among entity. So that is called ER model. So it gives an whatever domain knowledge I have, it gives an pictorial representation of the domain knowledge. That's it. So what I said ER model is a set of entities and it is set of relationships between entities, correct? So set of entities and set of relationships between entity. First we have to see what is an entity, okay? Then we will see what is the relationship between an entity. So first, entity. What is an entity? It is an real world thing or object with independent existence. Okay? Examples are university, student, course. So it is a real world thing in which we can define. So there are two types of entities. So one is strong entity and another one is weak entity. Okay, the strong entity is the thing. Strong entity means it has its own key and does not depend on anyone. Doesn't depend on anyone for the key. I will give some examples. Okay. Strong entity is it has its own key and does not depend on anyone. Okay. So weak entity is it does not have key. It does not have key and it depends on strong entity. I will take some examples. Okay, before that you check that ER model is nothing but it is an existence of real world which containing entities. Entity is a real world thing and relationships among entities. So we have taken a Flipkart example and I have shown the example. Okay. So first so what I said, ER model is a model in which we can view a model as entities, set of entities and relationships between entities. Okay. So we have seen what are strong entities and weak entities. Now we will see this entity. So you can assume entity is a table. Okay. This entity will be having multiple attributes. So attributes is shown as ellipse. Okay. And entity is shown as rectangle. Okay. So we will see multiple types of attributes and then we will go for relations and cardinality. Okay. Types of attributes. First one is simple attribute. So simple attribute is something like this. I have shown you what is an entity. Entity is a real world object, right? So entity